Hi, I usually work on a campus that's pretty far away from my home, so every week when I go to work, I have to pack. There's some, I would say, short trip cool hacks that I would like to share. And a great way of bringing your slippers without carrying a big bag to put your slippers in is to use this kind of wraps that kind of looks like a shower cap that is originally used for, preserving food in your fridge. Simply cover the bottom of the shoes, making sure that the bottom is not touching anything, and then you can put it in with the rest of your items in your suitcase or your backpack. If you have multiple electronic items to charge, I would recommend getting a pretty durable cable that has different kinds of charging ports that can charge different devices simultaneously. And I will usually pair it with a charge head like this. One is for a regular USB charger. The other one is a Type-C head for my iPad, so I can still watch shows when I'm in school, keep myself entertained. For my toiletries, I will actually search online, most likely in those, group buy websites. I will search for toiletry bags for men. So I got this bag. It's not very good looking, but it's really spacious. I think it's less than 20 or 25 RMB, I'm not quite sure. Well, when you open it, and it just kind of unfolds into, a hangable men's toiletry bag. There's no difference between men's toiletry bag and a woman's, and it actually comes with 2 dry compartments and 2 compartments that are waterproof. It's so compact. When you fold it up, you just hang it up. It doesn't even take up any space on your desk. When you're traveling for a short trip, whenever you find a little bottle of a small sample of something that is made of durable material, then you just keep that bottle or keep that box. It doesn't leak, so I will just use it as a travel size container for my toners. Same thing applies to my contact lens container, and they usually come free with your contact lenses. I will put my cleanser in it. It doesn't take up any space. It's free, it's sealable, it does not leak, and it's a perfect size for a short trip. These kind of boxes that usually comes with dental floss, and they're great for putting small items that are dry. Q-tips in there, dental floss, earplugs in it. You could also put hairpins and safety pins in it, whatever you want. I will usually bring those masks, like this one has been long expired. Open this and wipe my body all over, let it absorb, and it becomes, a body lotion. Look at how compact it is. It's a money saver. Here's another hack. This is a box for glasses. It's really durable and it snaps shut, and it's really great for putting things that are sharp but are small and can easily be lost. You can also put hair ties in there, whatever you want, and it just shuts and takes very little space. If you have a phone and you do not have a phone holder, and look at the angle. This is perfect as a phone holder as well. All right, that's it. Short trip hacks. Let me know in the comments if you find this useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me. And remember, you can always go to any of my social media platforms, follow me, and join my membership so you can get my exclusive pure English content daily sharings. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in 小影不 English 小影课堂. Bye.